हाई सुपर अचीवर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स एंड इंडिविजुअल्स। आज का वीडियो मोटिवेशन का साथ में प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू एंड व्हाट हैपेंड यू नो। आई मेट a biotech professional who was having 20 years of experience in biotech field. He was just telling he built teams, he raised funds, he registered patents, and उन्होंने एक just remark किया, if you see nowadays the biotech student, no, it is general, same degree, same lab work, same projects and same generic CV. So he told, if you look like everyone, you will also be treated like everyone. So आज का जो टॉपिक है, why 90% biotech student remain average, how they can go beyond 90%, that 10% band, elite band, where they get hired easily, they make their career easily. आज का ये टॉपिक है. So if you are interested, please stay with me. Little bit longer video, maximum 15 minutes, and don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to become a super achiever. चलो देखते हैं टॉपिक. पहले देखते हैं कि हायरिंग प्रोसेस में क्या होता है. मैं जब लीडरशिप पोजीशन में था, हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, क्या होता था एग्जैक्टली आई एम टेलिंग. कोई भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आया, जॉब क्रिएशन हुआ, यू पुट इट इन योर जॉब पोर्टल्स और इन फिजिकली भी आप कोई न्यूज़पेपर में दे देते हैं. नंबर ऑफ रेज्यूमे यू रिसीव. सिमिलरली लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ बायोटेक स्टूडेंट. व्हाट यू विल से इन द रेज्यूमे? सेम डिग्रीज like BSc, MSc, BTech, MTech, isn't it? These degrees, and same lab work like PCR, ELISA, DNA extraction, and basic internship. Internship अगर आपने लिया होगा तो basic internship. Whether actually you have done internship or just got a certification, it depends on you. And a generic final year project. Generic. आजकल क्या होता है सबको पता है. आप कहीं से भी एक प्रोजेक्ट खरीद लेते हैं and you submit. सो इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या पता है ना, ये जो आप करते हैं, सेम यू गॉट द डिग्री, इट इज फॉर सर्वाइवल, है कि नहीं? मैंने डिग्री कंप्लीट कर लिया, सो लेट मी स्टार्ट वर्किंग और स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग जॉब्स, है कि नहीं? ये प्रोसेस है. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट कॉम्पिटिटिव. कॉलेज एक्चुअली टीचेस यू द बेसिक मिनिमम competency, basic minimum competency, but industries they hire rare capability. Rare capability मतलब यूनिक क्या चीज आपने किया है ड्यूरिंग योर एकेडमिक्स, साइड बाय साइड आपने कुछ किया है, रियल प्रोजेक्ट हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस आपका पास में है, नहीं है तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट हायर. इफ यू थिंक एवरेज, you remain average, and you also focus only your syllabus and fetch good marks, but nobody asks only nowadays good marks. You must have some skills to become unique. If you want to get hired easily, build beyond your syllabus. Something you have to build beyond your syllabus or academics. तो पहला पिलर क्या है? पहला पिलर है डेटा और AI literacy. Now everywhere is data, massive data. Modern biotech is data driven. Wherever you take biotech field like drug discovery, genomics, clinical trials and agriculture biotech, some of this I am telling you, everywhere massive data. तो डेटा से क्या करना? From data से you have to analyze and bring a report for decision making. Something you have to take out. अगर आपको पता नहीं how to make a data analysis, you are dependent on others, then it is very difficult to get hired, or in a job if you are, very difficult to get promoted. What you can learn? Python basics when you are in the first year, no? Start learning Pythons which are available easily online. Then pandas also a programming language. Basic statistics, data visualization, like any data analysis like Tableau हो गया, or Excel. Simple start with Excel. Data visualization, how you can play with the data, create reports or Power BI. Then AI fundamentals, using AI tools, ChatGPT हो गया और generative AI हो गया, Cloud हो गया, many tools are there. You must know these things. You don't become a hard coder. Nowadays coding also being generated by artificial intelligence, AI. So you don't need to be a hard coder. You must know the things. Hands on experience होना चाहिए आपका पास में. प्रीमियम हायरिंग बैंड क्या है आपको पता है? ब्रैकेट क्या है? If you know Biotech के साथ में something about this, like if you know AI or data analysis, something if you know, you are in the premium band. Second pillar है advanced thinking beyond lab techniques. General lab techniques, everybody I think must be knowing if you are studying biotechnology. Like PCR is basic, ELISA is also basic, DNA extraction is also basic. What unique you can build? Design thinking. That means you are troubleshooting the some problems. Understanding the why results went wrong. Why results went wrong? What is the reason? Documentation discipline. Whatever you are doing, you maintain a proper documentation. Basic GMP and GLP, you know, general manufacturing practices, those things you must know. General things you must know. जनरल कॉमन क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा जाता है? एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन जो एक यूनिक क्वेश्चन है. टेल मी अबाउट एन एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट फेल्ड. अगर आपने हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है एंड फेल्ड हुआ होगा जरूर, तो रीजन क्या था एंड हाउ डिड यू कम आउट, उसका बारे में आपको बोलना है. हैव यू डन दोस थिंग्स? देन यू आर यूनिक. दोज एक्चुअली स्ट्रगल, व्हेन दे फेल दे स्ट्रगल, देन कम आउट विथ ए सॉल्यूशन. They only know the things. Third pillar जो है communication is career accelerator. See, if you are a very good academic performer, you got around 8.5 CGPA or 9 CGPA, but you are not able to explain, communicate clearly about your projects or some project you have done during your internship or any lab work that you have done. Do you think you will be hired? So this also has to be taken care. How you are presenting yourself. So learn scientific presentation skills, public speaking, clear articulation, proposal writing abilities. Some of these, one or two, you must learn and develop. And start posting on LinkedIn. Whatever you are doing, something unique, post it in LinkedIn. First, before that, you must have a LinkedIn profile. Start explaining some छोटा छोटा जो biotech topic simply. You know, clarity builds confidence and confidence builds opportunity. जब आप real hands on experience होता है, you build confidence. ठीक नहीं? Clarity है आपके पास में, you build confidence and confidence builds opportunity. Fourth pillar, बिजनेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आजकल ये बहुत कॉमन चीज है. जब आप हायर अप जाएंगे ना इन करियर, यू हैव टू ग्रो इन योर करियर. सो इनिशियली व्हाई नॉट यू स्टार्ट बिजनेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एक्चुअली बिजनेस क्या है ये भी चाहिए. वेयर 95% बायोटेक स्टूडेंट्स फेल. आपको आप बोलेंगे ना मैं तो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, मेरे को रिसर्च करना है, ये करना, तो बिजनेस के बारे में क्यों चाहिए नॉलेज? But it is required if you want to go to a leadership position. Nowadays, this is 21st century. So, what should you do? How biotech companies make money? You should know these things. How biotech company make money? Product development cycle क्या है? Regulatory affairs क्या है? Market validation क्या है? And funding stages. How the companies are funded to launch a new product or improvise or diversification. These things also you should know. If you understand revenue model, is a revenue generator, all these things are revenue model, then you go to the leadership position or you have a leadership mindset. Just let's take an example. There are two students who know the CRISPR theory. You know this CRISPR theory in biotechnology, and student B, he knows CRISPR theory, then understands its application, where CRISPR can be applied and regulatory pathway. Who do you think will be hired or get promoted in the professional job? Definitely, who knows more than only theory. Clear? Next, go to the last one, fifth pillar, build a signature project. Here is what separates मास फ्रॉम एलिट। एलिट जो बैंड में है और मास एवरेज में क्या डिफरेंस है, ये डिटरमिन करता है। Elite builds something project, something new thing or unique thing he builds, not just study. Example, AI based disease prediction model, crop yield analytics dashboard, this is data analysis, clinical trial data analysis project, this is also data analysis from the clinical data, and market research report for a biotech product. You see here all the data analysis and artificial intelligence, CRISPR ethical framework analysis, something I just take out from this ChatGPT that I am telling you. So these things are working. If you know these things, how you know? If you are not understanding, how should I learn? You can find out. One formula. अगर देखेंगे 5 pillars का one formula, that is biotech core things you must know. Your academics and subject you should know. Then data skills. Then communication, which is your career accelerator. Business awareness and visualization of data things, the data. And if you can build one of these things, I think 2 things you can build, then you have the confidence you are unique from the mass, from the average, and you are noticeable, you are noticed. Suppose you are putting everything in LinkedIn, you are noticed, isn't it? And stop chasing only marks. This is advice for students. Stop chasing only marks. Only marks. Start building capability. Whatever I told you. Start building capability. Biotech is powerful, but only when it is combined with skills, modern skills. Modern skills, just we discussed, you have lot of videos on this modern skills, what biotech wants. So be an elite and you will not complain about jobs are not available. If you like this video, you need actually any help how to build this elite band, how to go into the elite band, it is explained clearly. If you have some problem not understanding, आप पूछ सकते हैं, then I can answer you, reply you. All the love, all the power. Share my video, subscribe to my channel Atindriyam Careers, and dream the impossible.